Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply coupon code on AliExpress step by step and save money on your order. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. In order to find a product, you can see different sections within the home page, or you can use the search bar at the top and type the product name. Within it, you will also see the discover more section with different categories of product. For a particular number of categories, there are coupon available, so you can just tap on it. Now you will be redirected to a page with the list of product. You can just scroll down until you find the product that you like. Once you find the product, simply tap on it and you can see the detailed info of the product. If you want to purchase, you can just simply tap add to cart button at the bottom, and please make sure to select the options like colors, size as well as quantity. Then tap continue after selecting the options. It will show a confirmation message regarding that the product is saved to the cart. Now tap the cart icon at the bottom and make sure that your product is selected. Then tap checkout. On the order confirmation page, you can just scroll down to the summary section. Here by default the coupons are applied to the product, but if you have extra promo codes available, you can just simply tap enter at the right of the promo codes and enter the coupon or promo code in the field. Once the apply button becomes activate, tap apply to activate the discount, and if the code is valid, the discount will apply instantly and total price will be reduced, but if not, it will not reduce the price. And that's how you can apply a coupon code on AliExpress in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.